Hi, this is Miss M. Hi, Case Studies class. How y'all doing? Just wanted to say hello and a little more personal message. Right now, I did post week four's information on the news bulletin, so check it out. Wanted to say thank you, give a shout out to everybody who participated in last week's discussion questions. Death penalty and topic of money are two pretty challenging conversations to have sometimes. So thank you for everybody who participated and interacted and your great posts. I appreciated them. If you're interested in following up on the information that I posted, that information was from gotquestions.org. It's a biblically based website that you can enter any question you have in regards to the Bible. So it's a great resource to have, but if you're interested in further follow-up, that's what it is, gotquestions.org. On another note, we have two more, well, actually it's one question. We're going to be debating hydrofracking this week. So that should be interesting to hear, the yes and the no side. We're also going to be talking about the privacy or not at work. Is your employer okay, or it has a right to monitor your social media? And the debate video is on the constitutional right to bear arms. So another information and controversial packed week for us to review and to have some good interaction. For week 5, I hope y'all have looked at your directions for the capstone project, the YouTube video you're going to be posting. If you have not done it before, please do not fear and freak out. It is fairly simple and there are tutorials available, but I ask that you please get started sooner than later so that you are not trying to cram it in and learn how to do all of it the night before it's due. So give yourself a break on that. Also give yourself a break if you will utilize the online writing center and go ahead and submit your papers. 24-hour turnaround. It can be in a rough draft form. It doesn't have to be perfect, and you'll get it back as with edits and comments and corrections if that's needed, and suggestions of how to improve. So it's a great service. I hope you take advantage of it at least once and see how it goes for you. On another last note, this week I believe Matthew sends out the survey to students. I encourage you to please take the time, 7-8 minutes, to fill it out. It really is helpful. They do read everybody's comments. If there is a particular topic that keeps coming up, they do look into changing it if they get a percentage of input from the students. So they do listen to you. Please know that. So if you do get those surveys in your classes, we really encourage you to fill them out. Otherwise, here we are in the middle of week 4 already. I hope everybody is doing well and ready to round out on hydrofracking and slide into week 5. Okay? Don't hesitate to call or email or text if you have a question for me. Anything I can help you with, that's what I'm here for. Help you to become a better student for school as well as out in the workplace. Okay? So take care, everybody, and we'll talk to you again soon. Thank you.